For those of us used to riding modern motorcycles with proper lighting systems, hopping on a moped can seem quite literally like being transported back to the Dark Ages. The stock lighting system on my Tomos Flexer Moped, for example, is completely inadequate for seeing ahead of you in the dark or being seen by other motorists during the day. Now, there are ways to upgrade the stock moped's lighting system, but I found it easier to just utilize the auxiliary LED lights we had mounted on our bicycles and just install them to the moped instead. So what you're looking at here are the Cygolite Metro and Ranger models mounted up front of the handlebars, and the Cygolite Hotshot here in the back. Let me show you the difference in lighting using these devices under various real-world conditions. Okay, here's some night riding with the stock headlight. The lighting is so feeble that my GoPro doesn't even pick it up. It's hard to see, and I had to slow way down as a result. Here's the same road ridden with the LEDs turned on for comparison. The lighting is now pretty much on par with any standard small motorcycle, and you can comfortably ride at moped speeds without a problem. So here's what the moped looks like at night to oncoming traffic about 50 feet away, with the stock headlight and the motor revving a bit to simulate typical riding conditions. And here's what it looks like with both the auxiliary LEDs turned on. Big difference, right? Here's the moped from the back with the stock taillight, again revving the motor a bit. And here it is with the hotshot turned on. For daytime conspicuity from the front, here's the moped with the stock headlight at about 50 feet. And here it is with the LEDs turned on to flicker, the way bicyclists ride with them. For daytime conspicuity from the rear, here's the moped with the stock taillight at about 50 feet. And here it is with the hotshot turned on. If we're easier to see during the day, the chances of getting hit are reduced, at least somehow. Overall, I'm an advocate for good lighting, both for seeing and for being seen. This solution of using bicycle LED lighting is simple and cheap, with no need to modify any of the moped's electrical systems. And it also has another benefit. Next time your moped's stock bulbs blow, which they often do, you can still get to where you're going safely.